Okay, great. It works. All right, troubleshooting. Thank you for your patience. All right, let's start then. Okay, so most of you got it right. It's absorb water. Hang on. Okay, water and minerals. All right, can everybody type into the chat the next blank, please? Roots has a second function. Roots hold the plant what? Okay, good, Kaihan. The rest of you? I have the word anchor already, Jessie. So anchor the plant what to the soil? Anchor the plant what to the soil? Good, Jia Ping. All right. I have two correct answers.
Answer what?
Dipper, we don't accept dipper. Marisa, you got the answer, but spelling is wrong. Good try anyway. Justin, good. Marisa, good. All right, firmly. All right, firmly. Okay, so anchor the plant or hold the plant firmly to the soil. All right, now for minerals, you can also write mineral salts. It doesn't matter. So just use one word, minerals will do. All right, so we also accept mineral salts in PSLE. All right, let's go to the function of the stem. Support. Now, stem start with S. I'm helping you to remember it. So S and S, support the plant. What is the next word? Can y'all try? Support the plant. What? Starting with you. Up what? Support the plant. Up. Yes. Say again. Up what? No. Howie, good job. Up, right. Okay, if you don't know, please learn it now. Don't wait for exam and test to be here, then you learn. All right, so let me okay, how about transport what and what from where to all parts of the plant? Can you type in the chat? Okay, transport water and minerals. All right, so after the roots absorb the water and minerals, it's actually from here, right? Okay, water and minerals are absorbed at the roots. Then the stem will transport water and minerals from where to where? From the, anyone, from the roots. Thank you, Kaden, from the roots. All right, because after the roots absorb water, after the roots absorb the minerals, the stem will be the next one to transport all these things upwards. All right, what else does the, no problem, Giselle. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. I remember it's Giselle. If I pronounce wrongly, let me know. All right, so what else does the stem transport other than transporting water and minerals? Anyone?
Food.
Okay, good, food. All right, hang on. Let me just mark attendance for Giselle first. Okay, basically I'm multitasking. All right, food, thank you. Transport food from where to where? From where to all parts of the plant?
From roots to all parts of the plant.
Roots, are you saying the roots make food?
I mean,
Are you saying? Not roots, the roots do not make food. So not roots, good job. Jia Ping, can see your answer in the chat. Leaves, good job.
Yeah,
leaves.
My tongue slipped.
Whose voice is that? Is that Kaden?
Yeah, my tongue slipped.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so all these words, please remember them. All right, so what you all will always tend to forget is this one is absorb. Oops. Absorb. This one is transport. All right, so this is absorb water and minerals. So water and minerals is the same thing. Here I have water, I got minerals. Here I also got water, here I also got minerals. All right, but for roots, you use the word absorb. For stem, you use the word transport. Think of the stem just like an MRT system. All right, so Miss Ivy's artwork is always very, I always get donkey for art when I was a child. She can't draw to save my life. So imagine this is the roots, and then this is a stem. Imagine the stem is like a MRT system. So MRT, all right, train. So think of the stem here as the transport system. Where else roots, you use the word absorb. For roots, you use absorb. For the stem, you use transport. All right. Okay. So let's move on to the fruit. Now, what does the fruit protect? Anyone, quickly? Type into the chat, please. I can check your answers. It's okay to get a wrong answer. We are all here to learn from each other. Good job, Jia Ping. All right, the rest. What is inside the fruit that the fruit is protecting? Okay, good job, Kai Han. Okay, the rest, what is inside the fruit? The small thing. What's that small thing inside the fruit? When you eat papaya, there's a lot of black what that you need to scoop it out. You don't eat them. All right, good. Seeds. So the fruit, the function of the fruit is to protect the seeds. Now let's go to the leaves. What does the leaves make? What does the leaves make? It is an easy question. Let's not waste time. Thank you, Jesslyn. The rest, thank you, Jervin. Right, the rest, what does the leaves make? The leaves make, I'm not here. I'm not seeing the typing or answers from Hui Mei. Who else? I only see from Jia Ping, Kai Han, and Jervin and Jesslyn. Only 4. But I have 10 people here. So where's my answer, Marisa? Where's my answer? Who else? Hui Mei, Howie, Giselle, Hao Qian. Okay, now I'm seeing Hui Mei's answer, Caden's answer. Good, right? Okay, so it is make food. Now, other than making food, the leaves make food. There's a second function. Okay, this drawing is horrible, so let me erase it. Right, it will distract y'all. Now, leaves make what? What is the GE? Can y'all type in the chat? What
Gas
is GE?
emissions.
Say again.
Gas emissions.
No, not gas emission. Your first word is correct. Gas. Gas what between plant and surroundings? Okay, good job, Marisa. Gas exchange. All right, so the plant will exchange gases with the surrounding. That means the leaves, right? This is the leaf. All right, some gas will go in, right? Some gas will go out. So basically, they exchange gases. All right, they exchange gases. Okay. All right, then the last part, the flower helps in gaseous exchange means gas exchange. All right, it means the same thing. Okay, so this is actually gaseous exchange. It's just a different English word, you know, whether it's an adjective or a noun. All right, so either one. Okay, so for the leaf is gas exchange. So let me just draw nicer. Right, so I make a different color so I don't get confused. So the gas, all right, go in, some gas come out. So there's a gas exchange. Okay, then for the MRT system, all right, the stem. This is the stem, and then this is the roots. So for roots, you use absorb. For the stem, you use transport. All right, so think of it as like the MRT. Okay, maybe I'll just draw it a bit wider. So think of it as an MRT train. Don't write MRT train for your answer. So this is for stem. This is for the root. Okay, but you must tell me roots absorb what and what does a stem transport. Okay, let's go to the last one right on top. Flower helps in what? Starting with R. Anyone can tell me the word? Very long word. Basically, the flower helps to make babies, the next generation. So this is known as, good job, Kai Han. Good job, Jia Ping. Reproduction. All right, reproduction simply is to make babies for the next generation. Okay, right, any questions on the functions here? Right, so you have to memorize all these, okay? Then there's this word shoot and root. Root is anything that is below the ground. Anything above the ground is called shoot. All right, so since we are on root and shoot, let's just revise. When a seed germinates, all right, when a seed germinates, can you tell me which part of the seed will grow out first? Is it the root or shoot? Which one grow first? Roots or shoot? Okay, good job, Jia Ping. Right, so it has to be, okay, good job, Howie. So it has to be roots. All right, before the shoot. Roots grow first before shoot. Shoot is those above the ground. So if you are wondering what shoot, all right, shoot is here. All this on top is called shoot. All right, above the ground is called shoot. Below the ground is called roots. All right, so memorize these. I've typed out nicely for you here. All right, let's move on. Okay, we jump straight to the first question. All right, so basically, Samuel set up experiment. After 1 week, plant A withered and dried. All right, that means the leaves like dried up, withered and died, while plant B grew healthily. Okay, so over here you see that there's a plastic bag wrapping the roots. Here there is no plastic bag. All right, and then there's a layer of oil here and there's a layer of oil here. Okay, now my very first question to everyone, why on earth do they put oil on top? Is it to decorate the beaker? This is called a beaker. Container is called a beaker. Why do they put oil? Can y'all type into the chat? Anyone? What is the purpose of this oil? No, the oil doesn't give minerals. Kaden, good try. Anyone else? You can unmute yourself as well. Jia Ying say to Jia Ping, sorry.
Don't let the water evaporate.
Good. Jia Ping wrote exactly that, to prevent the water. You should use the word prevent, not avoid. To prevent the water from evaporating. Okay, good job, Kai Han. Good job, Howie. All right. Hui Mei, what you wrote is the opposite. You are saying to lessen the water. If you're talking about English word, is lessen. All right, not this lesson. This is like science lesson. We are having a science lesson. Okay, this is O, this is E. Lesson means make less. But then it's actually the opposite of what you're writing. When you have the oil, then we will make sure that the water, if with the oil, a lot of the water will evaporate. Okay, yeah. So here is to prevent. So can y'all make sure you write it in your notes? This is a favorite question. Prevent water from evaporation, water from evaporating. I want to have space, right? From evaporating into the air. Right? So prevent the water as in what this one, prevent this water in the beaker from evaporating up into the air. Right? Then I have a plastic bag. What do you think it prevents? What does the plastic bag prevent?
Minerals and water.
Plastic bag prevents water. I mean, there's water here. Here got water.
But
So
it
what do you
prevents
mean
the wood from
prevents what?
if it prevents the wood from absorbing the water and minerals.
Okay, understand you now, Hui Mei. No worries. All right. So plastic bag prevents the roots from what? What are the roots supposed to do? Jia Ping, good job. So the roots, what's the function of the roots?
From absorbing the minerals and water.
Okay, from absorbing the two things. Now these two things very easy to remember. You stick up three fingers. If you can see me, 3 fingers. I'm sticking 3 fingers into the air. Can you tell me what letter am I making with my Kaden, we talked about this before. All right. No annotating. All right, no annotating because it will appear on every slide. All right, so everybody look at my lettering.
The minerals and water, that's what I say.
Okay, Kaden, can we do it this way? Everybody will have, I think y'all can type faster than Miss Ivy because y'all belong to the younger generation. So your typing speed should be even faster than mine, right? So can everybody type into the chat instead of using the mic so I can check everyone's answer. Clear? All right, so that I can check everyone's answer. So look at my 3 fingers sticking out. What letter is that? Jia Ping says W. Good job. This W. Kaden.
Next is M.
Kaden, I do not want to hear your voice. I want to see your typed words in the chat. Can or not? Kaden, thank you very much. Okay, so not that I don't like your voice. We can chit chat later, okay, at the end of the lesson. So you typed your responses into the chat. I can help you check your spelling as well. Now this W, my fingers are very tired already. Then if I turn it upside down, what letter is that? W upside down will be what letter? M. All right, M. So W and M. So W stands for water, M stands for minerals. So from absorbing water and minerals. So you need to write both. Cannot just write one. All right, so I'm saying W and M, they're upside down letters of each other. So let me do here. So this is W, this is M. Okay, so the plastic bag actually prevents plastic bag actually prevents the roots from absorbing water and minerals. All right, but of course, in this question, I do not have minerals in the water lah. All right, unless you